Guys, in today's video I will be showing you um, how to manage the favorites lists on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram and then go to this profile section. Go to these three lines here and then scroll down and go to this favorites list. So click here and add whatever you want from the suggestions. For example, this one. If you want to remove it, just click like this. So that's it. You click confirm favorites, and that's it. So that's how to how to manage the favorites section easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.